channel. It's your girl Simone. If you didn't already know, now you know. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this Slay. So if you're interested in how I got this beat, then thumbs up this video, subscribe to this channel, and follow me on Instagram at Simone Styles with 2 Z's. Now let's go ahead and get to this Slay.
To start off, I'm going to go in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. That is my favorite primer. This is the mini, which is more affordable because it is $15, so I would definitely give it a try. Now I'll be going in with the NYX Naturally Radiant Foundation in the shade Mocha. Whatever shade you are in the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, that's the shade that you'll be in for this line as well. I really love this foundation because it's a dupe for the NARS Naturally Long Wear Radiant Foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. It's $10 and it blends out seamlessly. And you just see that I'm just patting this in, just packing it into the skin, and it gives such a beautiful finish. Now for concealer, I'm going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Caramel. I really love this concealer, y'all. This is a great affordable concealer. And then I will be going in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Rich Ebony. This is the hydrating one, and I'm just going to blend that out because we are contouring. We want this face to be snatched, honey. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. It's free and it doesn't cost you anything. I'm just blending out the concealer. I also went in with the COVERGIRL TRUBLEND concealer in my inner tear duct area, just to give myself a little bit more of a highlight, and that was in the color Golden Caramel. I'm just packing this in, blending it out with this beauty sponge, making sure that I am blending out all of the edges and just distributing the product where I need it to be. Contour my nose, I'm going back in with that Rich Ebony Hydrating Camo Concealer, just so that we can snatch this nose a little bit. Whenever I'm contouring my nose, I like to start from the top of the brow and make my way down because it just looks more seamless and it creates such a narrow pathway for your nose, so you have that more snatched nose appearance. Here I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me in Medium 30 and also the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Powder in Banana, and just patting that wherever we place the concealer. Now I'm going in with my Black Radiance Medium to Dark Contour Palette, and I'm just contouring everywhere that we placed that Rich Ebony concealer, just to go ahead and snatch our face. And then I'm chiseling out my nose with the same powder as well. Now I'm going in with the Morphe Filter Effect powder in shade 12 to set the rest of our face. Now to add some color to the face, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Splendor bronzer in the shade Medium, just to bring some warmth back to the face. I'm adding Rimmel London Rendezvous blush to the cheeks. To add some razzle dazzle to the face, I'm going in with the EBIN New York Bronzed Pop Highlighter. To line our lips, I'm going in with the ColourPop lip liner in the color Rooch, and then I'm going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie, and then I'm going to top that off with the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Pink Cosmo. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Lasting Fix Spray to set everything.
So you guys, this is the final look. Let me know what you think. Like, it says do that or do not do that. Okay, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Okay, there are going to be more beats coming to this channel. All right, you guys. Also, check out my other videos. I will be doing more beauty content, so just stay locked on this channel. Make sure that you click that bell. That way you know of every time that I upload a video to this channel. I absolutely love this look. I hope that you guys really did follow along and do your makeup along with me. That is how I learned how to do my makeup, and it definitely saves me a lot of money instead of paying somebody else to beat this mug. Okay, so anyways, if you guys liked this look, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, thumbs up this video. If you guys want a tutorial on how I do my brows, comment that down below, and follow me on Instagram at Simone Styles with 2 Z's, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.